Is that delicious?
I think it was popcorn.
Awesome.
It's very possible.
Oh, or
Curl up on the
Stand up on the
coffee
table.
Or read magazines. Good boy. Yep.
yeah, real simple. What does that say about you?
Doesn't say anything. I read real simple.
If he turns it the right way. Turn it the right way.
But Ellen.
Done with that.
Such a great one.
You're running out of room for all the stuff you keep pulling.
Oh, there's plenty of colors, guys.
Now the trick is getting him to put it back.
Stand up, Morgs. Stand up.
You know how. There you go.
Well, yeah, he's gonna want to get.
Oh my gosh!
He's like a kid.